lot of this sort of in the Diamond letter, preparing for the next downturn. Risks are piling up into 2020 and 2021. What do you think it's going to look like?
Well, I don't know exactly what the rule changes are going to be, but I think Jamie is talking about something that is serious. The meltdown of the banks in 2008 was one of the reasons that we had the Great Recession at that point and the market downturn. So he wants to make sure that the banks are strong enough financially to weather the next weakness in the economy.
Do you think they are? And are you, separately, are you a buyer of the banks at these valuations? They've had a nice bounce lately, but have been under a lot of pressure with this yield curve inversion.
I'm not an enthusiast of the banks right now. I'm neutral on them. I'm not negative on them.
Is that a macro view, or is it something specific?
It's a macro view. No, it's a macro view.
So
I mean, all my views are.
Yeah. No, I know
I'm
one
a
of your
macro
surprises
strategist.
has actually. One of your surprises has really come true on this front, Byron. I was going back to them, and you said the Fed is going to pause, and that's going to help stocks, and it's going to keep bond yields under pressure, and that's really been the story of 2019. Right. Some people are wondering how much more fuel there is in that trade.
Well, I said also in the 10 surprises, I said I expected the market to rise 15%. That was one of the most ambitious forecasts on Wall Street at the time. But now we're up practically 15% on the S&P 500. So I don't think we're going to make similar progress in the remaining 3 quarters. In 1 quarter, we almost got to my goal. I think the market will I'm not worried about a bear market, but I think we could have some corrections along the way. And my view is market will make limited progress between now and year-end.
Byron, we got some signals in the past couple of weeks about what you might argue is a reacceleration in global growth, good PMIs out of China, even in Europe and somewhat here in the States, the semiconductors looking for strength in the back half. How much faith do you put in that?
A lot. I never thought, you know, at the end of the year, everybody was thinking we might even have a recession in 2019 because of a slowdown in worldwide growth. My view was that you just needed a couple of things to go right. You needed China to improve, and I thought they were going to provide the stimulus to enable that to happen. You needed housing to improve in the United States, and you needed a Brexit deal of some softness. I think you're going to get all those things. Housing will improve, there will be a soft Brexit deal, and China will regain strength in the second half. And so I think the worldwide economy will improve and grow somewhere close to 3% on a world basis, and for Europe between 1 and 2, and for the United States between 2 and 3.